はい、こんにちは、あすこ先生です。Hi, I'm あすこ先生, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about read aloud. So, if you learn Japanese language and then you find it's a bit difficult to speak, maybe you need to read aloud more. Okay? And then we have a word, ondoku. Ondoku. So, ondoku means reading aloud. So, read the text aloud. So, any text is fine. If you have something on your Japanese learning textbook, just read it aloud. Your most learners just read it in silence, okay? And then just, read by eyes, yes, inside your brain. But you don't use your mouth. But to pronounce Japanese sound properly, you need to use your muscle, okay? So, ondoku, reading aloud, is a very important part of your Japanese learning. Just say something, just read the simple text is fine. Just pick up one or two simple sentences on your Japanese textbook and then read aloud. And then ideally you listen the proper Japanese sound, okay? And then mimic it, yes. So repeat it and then try to create the authentic Japanese sound. Alright? So ondoku, the first kanji means sound. This is on. It means sound, okay? And then the second kanji, this one, means reading. So this is sound reading. Yes, it means reading using sound. Yes. So ondoku is a noun. So ondoku is reading aloud. So but you can say ondoku shimasu, add shimasu to make it a verb. So ondoku shimasu is a verb. Yes. So you can say 日本語の文を音読します。Okay, so 文 means sentence. So 日本語の文 means Japanese sentence. 日本語の文を音読します。So, I recommend you 日本語の文を音読してください。Please read aloud Japanese sentences. Yeah, that's all for today. Read aloud 音読してください。See you next time. さよなら。またね。